Hi, I'm Jason. Most law firms don't lose clients because they're bad lawyers. They lose clients because the client experience feels slow, outdated, and disorganized. A potential client fills out a consultation form, then waits hours, sometimes days for a response. Meanwhile, another law firm replies immediately, books the consultation faster, and wins the client before the first firm even follows up. And when legal cases can be worth thousands, tens of thousands, or even more, slow communication becomes extremely expensive. Now add missed calls, scattered emails, intake paperwork, and administrative overload, and suddenly your firm spends more time managing chaos than managing cases. And that's exactly why more law firms are starting to use systems and automation. And one of the platforms becoming increasingly popular for this is GoHighLevel, because it helps law firms automate client intake, organize leads, follow up faster, schedule consultations, and centralize communication in one place. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything step by step as a beginner. No coding, no complicated setup, and no technical experience needed. We're going to be building a simple legal intake form and follow-up system together that can help your firm operate more efficiently and also respond to potential clients faster. And if you want to follow along, I've included links in the pinned comment and description that will allow you to sign up to GoHighLevel for completely free and test it out for yourself. Now, let's dive in. So first, what exactly is GoHighLevel? The easiest way to think of it is GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and automation platform designed to help businesses manage leads, communication, follow-ups, and workflows instead of having one platform for scheduling, another for texting, another for email, and another CRM, and another automation tool. Everything works together in one dashboard. And for law firms specifically, this can become extremely valuable because speed and organization matters in legal services. Potential clients want fast responses, clear communication, professionalism, and confidence that their case is being handled properly. And that's where automation and centralized systems can make a huge difference. Now let me show you around the platform. Once you're signed up to GoHighLevel, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, it may look unfamiliar at the moment, but don't worry, I'm going to be simplifying this as much as possible. Over to the left, the first thing I want you to pay attention to is the Conversations tab. And this will allow you to monitor all of your conversations in one place. So text messages, emails, phone calls, and even social media messages will all live in this one inbox. Next, we have Contacts, and this will store all your potential clients and existing clients automatically. So anytime somebody fills out a consultation form, for example, calls your office, or books an appointment, their information gets saved here. Next, we have Opportunities, and this section right here is especially useful for law firms as you'll be able to create your pipeline, and this lets you visually track where every lead or case inquiry is in your intake process. And you can create a pipeline by tapping on Pipelines right here, then you'll tap on Create Pipeline, and some stages that you could add in would be new consultation requests, contacted, consultation schedule, retainer sent, active client, or closed case. So instead of trying to manage everything manually, you can see clearly where each client stands. And by going into this, so let's say I were to close this, and I'm just going to be showing you an example using a dental CRM, you'll be able to pull along the client as you can see right here. So appointment booked. And by the way, with GoHighLevel, you can also automate the entire process. And talking about automation, let's select automation from the left-hand menu option. And this is where GoHighLevel starts helping your firm save time by automating repetitive communication tasks. And let me show you one of the most useful automations for law firms right now. I want you to tap right where you see Create Workflow. After you have selected Create Workflow, I'm going to select Start from Scratch. One of the biggest problems many law firms face is delayed intake follow-up. Potential clients are often contacting multiple attorneys at once, especially for practice areas like personal injury, family law, immigration, criminal defense, or bankruptcy. And usually the first firm that responds professionally has a major advantage. Now watch this. Inside GoHighLevel, we can automate client intake response immediately. So once here, all you'll need to do, you're going to tap here where you see add new trigger. After you have selected add new trigger, from here, for example, you could set it up so whenever somebody fills out a form, so we'll select form submitted, so that will be the trigger. So we're going to select form submitted right there. Then we'll tap on save trigger. After they have filled out the form, we're going to automatically send them a text message. So we'll tap on the plus. Then from there, you could type in, for example, send SMS, and you're going to see send SMS option. After you have tapped on send SMS, from here, you could type in your message. So for example, your message could say, thank you for contacting Anderson Legal Group. We received your consultation request and someone from our office will contact you shortly regarding your case. Simple, professional, immediate. And now every potential client receives a fast response automatically. All you'll need to do is simply tap on save actions after you have typed out the message right here. After you have done that, you'll simply tap on publish, and just like that you have set up your automation. So even after office hours, during meetings, or while your team is busy, this helps your firm feel more responsive, more organized, and more professional. Now let's talk about consultation and scheduling, because missed appointments and no-shows waste valuable time for law firms. So also inside GoHighLevel, you can create automated consultation scheduling systems. The first thing you'll need to do, let's go back real quick, and we're going to select calendars. After you have selected calendars, what I would recommend you do is create a consultation calendar. To create a calendar, you're going to tap on calendar settings. After selecting calendar settings, you'll tap on new calendar. Then once you have tapped on new calendar, from here, you're just going to tap on explore more types, and you'll tap on service booking. After selecting service booking, from here, you could give the calendar a name. And you can also add a staff member that will be responsible for this. And if you have multiple staff members, you can also add multiple staff members. The service that I would recommend, the calendar that I would recommend you choose if you have multiple staff members would be the round robin option. So you could create a consultation calendar right here. So now clients can book appointments directly based on your availability. As you can see right here, they can select a date and time. And once the appointment is booked, you can set it up in GoHighLevel so that they automatically receive a confirmation email and reminder texts and follow-up notification. So for example, if we were to go back into GoHighLevel, you could simply go back and you could select automation right there. After you have selected automation, you could tap on create workflow once more. And you can either choose to build using AI, or you can tap on start from scratch, or you could select a template for this example. So let's say we were to tap on select template. After you have tapped on select template, you can see numerous options. So for example, we'll be selecting this option right here. So you can preview how it would work. So you can see once they have booked the appointment, they're going to receive a confirmation email. Then 24 hours before the appointment, they're going to receive a reminder. Then an hour before the appointment, they're also going to receive a reminder right there. And then they'll receive a reminder 5 minutes before the appointment is scheduled to happen. So you can simply tap on choose template, and again, just like that, you'll be able to toggle it on. By setting up this simple system, it will dramatically improve the client experience, and also it will help to reduce administrative work for your staff. So here's something many law firms overlook. Not every potential client hires an attorney immediately. Some people research options, compare firms, or delay decisions for weeks. That's why follow-up matters so much. With GoHighLevel, you can automate lead nurturing sequences. For example, you can set it up so that day 1, they receive a consultation follow-up. Day 3, they receive education email. Day 7, case evaluation reminder. And day 14, additional follow-up. Instead of manually chasing every lead, your firm stays consistently in front of potential clients automatically. And this can help recover leads that otherwise would have gone cold. Now, why modern law firms need systems? The legal industry is becoming increasingly competitive. Clients expect faster communication, easier scheduling, and better experiences overall. And firms still relying entirely on manual processes often struggle to keep up. That's why platforms like GoHighLevel are becoming attractive to modern law firms. Not because automation replaces attorneys, but because it improves operations around the legal work. It helps firms stay organized, respond faster, improve intake, and reduce administrative overload, and create a more professional client experience. And honestly, those operational advantages can make a huge difference over time. Now, obviously, what we have covered today is just scratching the surface. GoHighLevel can also help law firms with websites, intake funnels, email campaigns, review automation, pipeline tracking, and AI-powered follow-up systems. But I wanted this tutorial to stay beginner-friendly and practical, because honestly, the best way to understand how this platform works is to test it yourself. Once you build your first workflow, everything starts making more sense. So if you want to try GoHighLevel for your law firm, I've left a free link down below in the description. You can follow this tutorial step by step while building your own legal intake automation system. And if this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as I'll be making more videos about CRM and automation. Thanks for watching.